I wanted to take a moment to share a brief perspective as we're wrapping up the first quarter. Today's April 1st, and over the past several weeks, we've had a chance to connect with so many of you during our review season, and I thought it'd be helpful to offer a bit of context around what we're seeing going on in the world around us and in the markets lately. It's been a more turbulent start to the year across them. We're also in a midterm election cycle, which tends to introduce more noise and uncertainty. And globally, there's ongoing tensions that continue to evolve, especially with what's been going on in Iran over the past several weeks. And while those things can feel significant in the moment, they're also not unusual when viewed in a more broader context. So if you look historically, just speaking about midterm election years here, they've often included periods of volatility and often market pullbacks at some point during the year. At the same time, when you extend out the lens a little bit, the data has generally shown more constructive outcomes where markets over the following 12 months have often more than not delivered positive returns, which should be encouraging. That doesn't mean that every period looks the same, but it is helpful reminder for us that short-term uncertainty and longer-term outcomes often vary dramatically, and they end up being very different things. For most of the families we work with, the focus really remains unchanged, maintaining alignment between your resources and your long-term goals, coordinating across the different parts of your financial plan and your financial life, and making thoughtful decisions in context rather than reacting to headlines. That's exactly what we've spent time on together in our recent meetings over the past several weeks. In many cases, there's not been many major changes that we've needed to make with each of you. And that's often a sign that things have been structured appropriately. And where adjustments have made sense or there's more considerations, they've been done deliberately and with a long-term view and perspective. And we're having those ongoing conversations still with many of you. So there will always be new developments, and some will feel more urgent than others. Our role is to help filter what's important from what simply is immediate and to keep things grounded in a longer term perspective. So if anything you're seeing or hearing raises questions, causes concern, we're always here as a resource. We're here to talk it through with you. Otherwise, we're going to continue to stay thoughtful, monitor things closely, and keep focused on what matters most for you over time. We appreciate you, the conversations we've had with so many of you recently in the past few weeks, and we look forward to staying connected.